Just now take it across to Maharashtra, which is seeing perhaps one of the worst COVID crisis in the country. The crisis continues to worsen day by day. The state has reported over 47,000 cases. There you go on your screens right now. In the past 24 hours itself, 47,000 cases. It's the highest ever spike since coronavirus outbreak last year. In fact, Mumbai has broken its own record after it reported over 8,500 fresh cases on Friday. And with this particular surge, the active cases in the state have gone to above the 380,000 mark. That amounts to more than half of the entire country's total active cases. With cases showing absolutely no signs of let up, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that he may not have a choice. He has absolutely given a warning, and a fair warning has been given to everyone in Maharashtra that there could be a relock in Maharashtra if the cases continue to rise at this alarming rate. The Chief Minister has also said that a decision of a statewide lockdown is going to be taken in the next couple of days and has sincerely appealed to citizens to follow COVID-appropriate behavior.
लॉकडाऊन करणार का हा प्रश्न अजूनही मी उत्तर देत नाही, पण साधारणतः आत्ताची परिस्थिती काय आहे ह्याची कल्पना आपल्याला देण्याची मला पुन्हा एकदा गरज वाटते.
Maharashtra on Friday reported 47,800 new cases with 202 COVID deaths. There are around 390,000 active COVID cases in the state now. Simultaneously in Mumbai, the COVID cases are creating new record each day. On Friday, 8,800 cases were recorded with 20 COVID deaths. Doubling rate has come down to 46 days. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said there will be new restrictions either today or by Sunday. What will be these restrictions? The citizens are waiting. State government believes that given the way the cases are rising, there is no other option but to put in strict restrictions. With camera person Mahesh More, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.